What is going on, guys? In today's how-to video, I'll be demonstrating how to remove a broken bridge pin on your acoustic guitar. Stay tuned. So the easiest way to remove your broken bridge pin is, first of all, loosen the rest of the string so you can get your hand through the hole, right in through here. Over here I have a Swiss Army knife. It's a solid block. What I'm going to do is stick my hand in there, right? Come in underneath. And what you're going to do is feel for the pins, and what you're going to do is just give it a quick tap. Watch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Just tap it. And there it is. If this video helped out, please thumbs up and subscribe. Got many more how-tos that will save you time, money, and a lot of grief. Peace out.